Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction, the SP 500 index fund prediction, and the DXY or US dollar index prediction. So, if it's the first time of you here, you watching me now, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we put in every day 2 videos. And if you being someone who being subscriber with us, go down and smash that like button. We want that video to reach at least 20 likes, my friend. So I think it's not a big demand. So please smash the like button. Help us to growing up more that channel. You done it? Let's continue our analysis to tell you more about the Bitcoin today. So as you see, my friend, what the market done for us today. The market, it closed and it give us here that engulfing candle. And here the volume, what it telling us? The volume here, it spike up, and here in the top, that engulfing candle, it indicate us we are going to go higher. But another thing here, I'm talking here about the people, they enter in lower time frames, not investors. People, they enter in lower time frames. We got a level here, as you see it, and we got another one here. So you need to make a close eye at those levels as you see them in front of you. So it might from here or here, it's going to touch one of them. Then after that, it's going to drop again, my friend. Remember that. There is nothing just came like that and go upward. It might that one just a trap. Talking about that candle, it might just a trap to indicate the market is going to go upward. But after that, it's going to come tomorrow a red candle. Then it's going to fall down more and more. So make a close eye at those things tomorrow, what the market is going to tell you. You go here to the last high of that candle here of the daily and go to the lower time frames, 30 minutes, 1 hour or something. And you waiting the candle is going to come. If it's crossing above it, the market is going to go upward. If it's not, the market is going to fall down. And when to do that? When London open or New York open, that where is investors, they enter to the market. Not by night. By night, there is just market makers. Remember that very, 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 very well. Everything is too clear. And here, as you see, that the trend line also we being following. He came here, he break it. Now he go back inside the trend line. So he give us here a V shape like that. But we don't know what's going to happen now. Let's wait until tomorrow what the market going to tell us. Then after that, we're going to see how it's going to react to that pushing up. So I tell it to you, it might down just a trap. At least waiting what's going the market to tell us tomorrow, my friend. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, that one, it's still here at the oversold area. So it's still for it more room to fall down. As I tell it to you, so it's still more room to fall down. So as I tell you before, if you want, when is it the right time to buy? It's very, very, very simple, my friend. Just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So also when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. And if it's possible, smash the like button. Or you can do something extra. You can join our Telegram channel. So when also we put in a new video, you're going to be notified through your phone. Because Telegram, the reach is very quick compared to YouTube and Facebook and those things. That way also use in Telegram if you want. But it's up to you. If you want just YouTube here, just turn all the notification. So you're going to be notified every time when also we put in a new video. So let's see our other indicator, what it's telling us, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, my friend, as you see it, he came here to the trend line as we draw. That one, by the way, we draw it yesterday, that white one. Until now it's showing, maybe it's going to break it. So now there is 2 scenarios. The first one from here to go upward till here. Then after that is going to fall down. Another scenario to go back inside and to fall down till here, till the oversold area. And me personally, I think the scenario going to happen now, it's from here, like that, from that zone where it reached now, here, it's going to go higher till here. Because that one in the top, that one I'm talking about, that one is the long-term trend. And if you remember last time when it touched it here, it fall down. And that one I can even show you in very old time. Every time it touch it, it fall down. So now I think it's going to go back to touch it. But let's see the coming days what they are going to bring us. Or another scenario, maybe from here is going to drop till the oversold area. That trading, my friend, is just a probability game. Sometimes you are right, sometimes you are wrong. So everything is too clear. Now let's go into the SP 500 index fund to see what the stock market doing today and what it's going to do tomorrow. So let's go into see the SP 500, my friend, what it's telling us. Here, the SP, you see what it done here. It give you here a doji and a big gap as you see it here. So let's wait in the next day if it's going to bring us here a green candle to push up or no. Because I think, and I tell it to you in the previous video, also we are headed now for another crash for the stock market. But we don't know what's going to happen. Because what can I tell you? All the world now is in very bad moment. I'm talking here fundamental. The war in Russia and Ukraine hasn't stopped yet. The winter is coming. So the prices of petrol and those things, they are going to hike. Because if you know what meant winter here in Europe. So bad moments they are coming. And the Fed, they said they are not going to stop hiking the interest rate. So interest rate, they are going to hike it more. So let's see the coming days, my friend, what they are going to bring for us. And here, as you see, that level where that candle came, there is no level there. The next level is down here. So there is more room for it to fall down. Me, I think it's going to come till here, till that level here. I showed you before. Maybe that one just a trap to came to touch up that old supply and demand. Then after that, it's going to drop till here again. So make a close eye to it today and tomorrow, what the market going to do. So, and also every time we update you, so if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So every time when we put in a new video, going to be notified. You done it, let's continue. So now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, as you see it, even if it came here, that green candle, it came next to it, another red candle. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it here, it came the green candle and the volume down, it spiked, but next to it, it came another red candle, and that red candle, there is no power. Sellers don't got that power like how they used to be before. But if you look at the volume down here, sellers, they still in control. Sellers, they still in control, and here, it's breaking for us the 200 moving average. The price, what it did, he go back, it tested again, then now it's going down. So you need to make a close eye at that level, the lower level of that 4 hours candle. When it's going to be broken, you're going to go down till here. I think the picture is too clear now here in the 4 hours. You can even go lower to see more what the picture telling you. Let's go lower to see it, what the price telling us over there. So let's go in now to 1 hour to see what the price telling us over there. Here in 1 hour, as you see it now here, the picture is very, 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 very clear. It's breaking for you the 200 moving average here, fall down to here, and make a small correction like that, and now it's heading for down. You make that small correction over there because that zone here, as you see it. Last time from here, he peaked. I'm talking here about supply and demand zones. By the way, if you want to learn how we draw them, you can go to our course. So make it like a support. $13 is just the price of cup of coffee. You go is more than 8-hour course. It's going to teach you everything you want about trading. Go and join that course. Believe me, it's better than million of courses they sell it to you by $1,000 and $2,000, my friend. So, but it's up to you. Now what my view to it, you need to make a close eye at the lower here. When a candle break it here, you are going to the lower here. If here the candle tomorrow, here came a candle and couldn't break it lower, then he go back up and give you here like that W. That means also we are going to head to go upward till we are touching here the 200 moving average. But that one, what can we say? It's a very small chance, because if you see here in the daily, what you see in here and here, like that and like that and like that. It's very, very clear here in the daily. Look at it. Let me show it to you again for the picture to be more clear to you. Started from here like that. You go here like that, and you go here like that. What you seeing here? That one is a head and shoulder, my friend. And that head and shoulder, it's being broken. So now you need to come here to here and to calculating like that. So the market is going to drop till the lower here, that level, as we said before, if you remember, and you've been someone with us for some time. So make a close eye at those things, because here, that one here is the first shoulder, second shoulder, and here is the head. That one is the head. Everything in front of you. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the SP 500. So stock market, it's still falling, my friend. Remember that word. So let's go in now to the DXY to analyze for you the US dollar index, what it doing, and why the Bitcoin is rising today. So let's go in there to see what is it there, my friend. Here, as you see, that one is the DXY or US dollar index. As you see it, that zone here, what it doing? That zone over there, it's very stronger zone and the price couldn't break it. Why? Because if you see even all those times the pushing here, it came today, that candle, it's showing not yet. So what our view to it? It's going to make a small correction, maybe till here, maybe till that zone here, as you see it here. Then after that, it's going to go high, but you need to make a close eye at that level because the market, what it's waiting the 1st of September when the ISM manufacturing of USA is going to come. That when it's going to push away higher and it's going to break for you that level. So make a close eye at those things. Till now it's going to stay just ranging like that. Maybe it's going to drop a little bit, but till now there is no power to push it down. So make a close eye at those things. And also we update you every day. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also we put in every day 2 videos, my friend. So let me show you in my chart what it's telling me. Me, I got here, as you see it here, that level, me, I draw it. And here lower, we got that trend line. And me, I think personally is going to fall down to touch that trend line. Then after that, we're going to see what's going to happen in the future. Now let's go into the 4 hours to explain to you more. Here in the 4 hours, something different here. If you see, he break it here, and now he went up. Now he go back to test it again here, to test that level here. Let me zoom it to show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. That's why us we are different than other people. Other people, they just analyzing for you in 1 time frame. Us we are analyzing for you in 3 times frames. So as you see what it done for you here. The market went up, he break for you. By the way, that one is a false breakout. Then he came back and here he show you here a rejection. Now let's see if that zone when it's being broken is going to be a support or no. We are going to be sure when that zone came and break for you the last high. The last high is that one. If they came candles and breaking for you here and closing above that level, make sure also we are going to go higher. Till 112, my friend. Everything is too clear. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Let's go now to 1 hour to show you more. What is it there? Here in 1 hour, the same thing as you see it. It break up, it go back here, and here it's showing rejection. As you see those candles there. And here in 1 hour, it give you something here different. If you see, you can come like that from that zone here, like that, and like that. It give you here like a triangle, my friend. So you're going to wait where it's going to be broken up or down, then you enter. Or you can do something else without like that. You just came here like that and like that. A small triangle over there, or a wedge, or name it, whatever. Names doesn't matter. The most important to know how to trade those things. So that level where we are now here, it's very stronger level. You need to make a close eye at it. What the market going to do. And here the top where it reach here, make a close eye at it. Everything is too clear. If it's clear to you, go down and write for us a comment and tell us, yes, it's very clear to me. So now let's go back to the Bitcoin to see what is it there, my friend. Here we came back to the Bitcoin. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the 4 hours in the Bitcoin telling us. Here the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, as you see it, my friend. What it done here, it give us here the inside bar. Then it's break it up by that big engulfing candle, that one. Sorry, let me show you those things because I think the picture is not clear to you like that. So let me zoom it like that. Now I think it's very clear now to you. As you see, that candle, that one, it's breaking for us that level as we used to have. And over here in that zone, us, we have the long-term trend. Now it came here, that candle, that one. By doing that candle and that candle, what as we said before, and I think I show you that pattern a lot of times. That one here, that one, and that one, that green one. That one is inside bar or pregnant woman, or name it whatever you want. Because pregnant woman, a woman, it's become like that, then it has a tummy like that. So it look like it, it now. Now it came that big engulfing candle, that one, and it's breaking for you up. But if you see here, sellers here, and the volume down. Sellers here, they get in high. Then the buyers after that, look at it here. The buyers in the volume, they get in lower and lower. You get what I'm telling you or no? The volume here, it's showing you buyers, they get in more lower. And the sellers, they get in more powerful. That's how we read in the chart, my friend. Everything is too clear. Let me go back to my chart. And here, as you see here, what we got here that triangle or that wedge or name it whatever you want, and here we got the lower of that channel, that where the price bounced up. So now you need to make a close eye at the upper that trend, that white one. By the way, that one is a trend line as we draw it before. Let me show it to you. As you see it, as we draw it from here like that, as we draw in the trend line. So it's being touched 3 times. First time here, second time here, and here the 3rd time. And now the price is near to it. So you need to make a close eye at that one. If it's going to break it and went upward, if it's break it, you are going to the 200 moving average here. As you see it, that one with blue. If it's not, it's going to come down. And make a close eye at those things. And here you got a wedge, like how us we done it before. A falling wedge, let's make it like that. So now you need to make a close eye where is that falling wedge is going to be broken up or down for the market to fall down. Let's make a close eye, and we're going to update you every day, my friend. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. Now let's see our indicators, what this is telling us for the picture to be more clear. That one, if you remember it, may I tell it to you before? I tell you that one is very rare. He entered here to the oversold area, and now he's giving us a divergence here. As you see it, from here and lower here, and here he give us a divergence, and now we are near to the 50, as you see it. So you need to make a close eye at that level here of the middle. When it's going to be broken, we're going to see if we are going to go to the overbought area or not. Because me, I'm going to be sure us we are in an uptrend when it's going to break for us that middle here. That's where me are being sure us we are in an uptrend. So everything is too clear here. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, that over here the magic happening. If you see here in 30 minutes what the market giving you here, I give you here a wedge going up, but here something very important. If you see the 200 moving average here, it's acting here like a resistance. Every time the price came to it, he bouncing down, he came to it, now he give us, is it going to go lower? So now how are you going to trade that one? It's very simple. If you're using the leverage or the margin, just came here, you drawing a trend line like that, you waiting with the Bitcoin break it down, you enter short, take profit of you is going to be lower here, stop loss here in the top. That's another signal from me if you want to enter. And another thing here, he tried to give you here a W as you see it in front of you. Let's see our indicator, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, it indicates here, we are here at the overbought area. So now there is no buying. You can buy only from down here and sell here in the top at the overbought area, my friend. Everything is too clear. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, my friend.